Okay, so the first stage you have to do is to take out all the necessary parts to build up the actual base unit. So all these actually do is they just pop out quite easily, quite quickly. You want to be careful though, you don't want to bend them or rip them, so you just want to make sure you pop them out like so. Yeah, so you've got your base. I'm going to take out the other base as well just to show you how it works. The actual registration points are actually in place as well, so you don't need to worry about that. Like so, that's your second base. Okay. Now what we're going to do is take out the base section of Donald Trump. Like so. Again, it just pops out, creates a big hole. And we have Donald Trump. You'll notice he's got a plaque in the background. When you do a press conference at the White House, you have this little blue screen at the back, and this is why the colour of the background of the card is blue as well. Okay, and so basically he stands there and gives his press conference. Now you can use one of two stands. Okay, there's one with a microphone at the front. You can just basically put that in there like so, slot it in. We'll just move this out of the way, and by placing it carefully you'll notice it basically stands up. Okay, so that's how that works. Alright, now alternatively you can use the small one, the sloopy edge at the front, place it in like so, and again we have Donald Trump set up, ready to move. Okay. Now, what we can do is change those around a bit, have different configurations, but this is the initial setup. So if you want to do something more interesting, we put him back inside the actual long stand, like so. What we have here as well is the podium, as I talked about. So just pop that out. So, and what happens is the podium, you may want to possibly bend them slightly just to make them straight. Okay, that just fits into the slot at the front, like so. Okay, so it looks like he's actually giving a press conference. Alright, if I just twist it to the side slightly, you can see how it's all set up and everything. It's got the microphone indicating that, you know, he's pressed there and everything as well. Alright, so that's the basic setup. As I said, before you start putting any clothes on, you may want to give him some kind of thing on the top of his head, because he's not actually got his wig on. So what we need to do is to actually get one of these two out of the place. So we'll do that in the next stage. Okay, but that's the basic setup. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.